Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Temu app in your phone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the App Store on your smartphone. If you're using an Android phone, click on the Play Store. For iPhone users, open the Apple App Store. Then click on the search option which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen and type Temu and hit the search. Look for the orange logo with the name Temu. Once you find the app, tap the install button on the Android or get button on iPhone. The download will start automatically. After the installation is completed, tap on the open option to launch the app. You can now sign up or log in to start shopping, and if you are having trouble finding the app, make sure that your app store is updated. Also check that your device has enough storage space for the download. And that's it. Downloading the Temu app is super easy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!